Hi, so we have seen the basic concepts of Java, which is JDK, JVM, JRE, bytecode, source code, native code, right? All these things we have seen. Now the most important things for the beginner is how to get started with the Java. How to get started with the Java. So first thing here, I'm checking in my system. As like you people must be having your system in which JDK might be there or might not be there. So like that itself, in my system also at present, I have uninstalled JDK and inside this, nothing is available. So well, what I wanted to do here in this, first, I'll open here the CMD command prompt. I'll open here. You just notice it. This is the command prompt which I wanted to open here. In the case of command prompt, after opening the command prompt here, right? Next, what I want to do here. See, this is the our command prompt which is opening here. In that, you might be able to see like how it is working and what all things are available here. So see here, this is our command prompt. In that, the very first thing what you need to do is you type here Java C. Whenever you are writing in this case Java C, so we are able to understand whether that Java is working in our system or not. So what it is showing, you can see here what it is displaying here, that it is nothing is there inside this. Means the message what it is giving here, Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command operable program or batch file something, which means it gives a clear meaning that JDK is not there in our system. Okay, well, here, so related to that, we will again have some more things. So first what I wanted to do is that I wanted to install the JDK. Well, so once what I'm just going to do is I'll be installing the JDK. So it depends in your system where you have JDK here. So I'm just opening here my system. In that now I have JDK in some of the specific locations. So here now you can see that is the in a folder I have. It depends in your system, you might be having the different place JDK. So here I'm writing that is the JDK. I'm just searching here where exactly, let me get the JDK already, as I have installed the JDK in my system. Well, so here first we have the Java 9. What I'm doing is I'll be installing here both things. I'll install both options. One, Java or you can say JDK. Well, I'm going to install both JDK 1.9 and JDK 1.8. These both versions I'm going to install, and then we will see what is the basic difference between Java 9 as well as Java 8. We will understand how it works, what is the Java 9 as well as what is Java 8 and what is the basic difference right from the beginning itself, right? So we'll come to that portion again. Well, so first, what here I'm installing, notice this here, it is the JDK 1.9 version, which again, as I wanted to install it inside this, right? After the installation of JDK, here you can see that is the one which I wanted to install here, JDK 1.9 I wanted to install. Here you can see here clearly like we wanted to install the JDK 1.9. Well, then again, after this here, first, what next I wanted to do in this, let's double click on this here. Well, so I'm just doing the double click on this. I'll just double click. You need to see that I'm just trying to show you the complete process, that if anyone is having any installation problem or installation process there, they can understand all that here, right? So I click on yes. I'm just clicking here on yes. These all are very simple steps which all of you can do. Again, it is there available in your documents also with the screenshots, and you can just have a look on that also. And if further any installation problem you are getting while installing the JDK, the corresponding members will be available with you to solve these problems of the installation of the JDK here, right? So see here, this corresponding option which is coming in this. Now what I need to do now, again, it is taking some process here. It is showing some steps. So the process next, what I need to do is you need to again click on this next button right here. I'll do here. I'm just clicking again. That is the next button I'm clicking. Now here, see that. There are some messages which it is showing here. But again, you see here some messages, you can just read it out. Like it is giving some basic informations related how much memory it is going to allocate and all other things. We will be again, I'll be having a most important thing here is to know about this concept. What is this concept is that this is a destination folder, that in this particular destination folder your program is or your software which is there is going to be installed in that case, right? So well, in that here I'm just removing all that, and after that here I'm just clicking on next here. So well, we will wait for some time. It is taking its own processing time, so let's wait for some time. Here install the different folder or custom setup which is there. Enabled content browser, I'm not doing anything here. I'll just click simply on the next button here. So I'm just clicking on here the next one here. Well, now you can see there one informations what it is giving, that 3 billion devices run Java. It's just a big thing now. Okay. So now I'm just closing it here. Now what we will see here, that JDK 1.9 Java, which is 9, has installed, or we have installed the Java 9. Java 9 installation is now successful here, right? Okay, now the thing is that installation of JDK itself is the sufficient enough. So well, what I will do again into this, I am opening here Java C. We will see whether in our system it is working or not. See, first of all, you need to understand again few points into this. See, we have installed the JDK, well, but it's not like that after installation itself it will start working in this case. So what we have done, let's say here, if there is a my computer folder in your drive, so here I'm just clicking on this. Now after this here, what do I need to do again into this is that you need to just go for the advanced system setting. What is that now? Advanced system setting. We need to click on this. Well, when I'm just going for the advanced system setting, so in this I'm clicking the advanced system setting, and after going into this now here, what we have, environment variables, one options which we have into this. So we are having at present which is called as the environment variables. So we need to again click here at the environment variables, right? So I'm just going to next click on this environment variables here. Let's click on this. After doing it, now see, there are two options as such we have into this. The two options what we have, one which we have user variable, and the second one what we have is the system variable. It's important thing to understand what is the user variable and what is the system variable while setting the path, right? Now, when you are setting path in user variable, then in your system, whenever you are doing login through this particular user called as JTC noida user, then only you will be able to access that particular path. When you are, और जब भी आप लॉग इन करते हो इस पर्टिकुलर यूजर से, जैसे आप देखोगे आपके सिस्टम में डिफरेंट लॉगिन्स होते हैं, राइट? लॉगिन्स इन द सेंस इज कोई गेस्ट है, कोई एडमिन है, कोई अलग अलग सब लोग हम लोग बना के रखते हैं, राइट? सो अगर जिस यूजर में किया गया है वही यूजर उस पाथ को एक्सेस कर सकता है, मतलब जो जेडीके होगा वो वर्किंग होगा, वो उसी लोकेशन में होगा. दूसरे से अगर सिस्टम में आप करते हो, अगर यहां पे आप करते हो, तो चाहे वो कोई भी होगा वो वहां पे वर्कआउट, अगर यहां पे आप करते हो, सो इन योर प्रोग्राम थ्रू एनी लॉग इन whenever you are entering, we will be easily able to use that for any login IDs. So right, what I will do here now, for a time being, I'm just setting this path for the user variables only. So see, already in the case of user variables, already there is one variable called as the path which we have set it here. You can just have a look on this path which is already there. अब हुआ क्या कि जो पहले से आपने जेडीके हमारे सिस्टम में इंस्टॉल था, सेम उसी पाथ पे दोबारा हमने जेडीके इंस्टॉल कर दिया, और सिंस जब ये दोबारा जेडीके इंस्टॉल हुआ तो वो भी पाथ मिल गया, तो हमें पाथ सेट करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी। करेक्ट, इसलिए हमें ये प्रॉब्लम आई। करेक्ट, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, पहले इस पाथ को हम डिलीट करते हैं, इसको क्या करते हैं, डिलीट करते हैं, देन हमें पता चलेगा कि क्या एक्चुअली what we are looking for, whether our requirement is the same thing or not. So I'll do one thing here. Basically, path which is there, I'm deleting this path. Let's delete this path. I've deleted it now. I'm clicking on OK. Now see, there is one possibility now itself I'm telling you. मैं आपको अभी बता रहा हूं, देखो यहां से मैंने पाथ डिलीट कर दिया है, ठीक, तो आपका जो जेडीके होगा वो वर्क नहीं करना चाहिए, बट अगर सेम, अगर यहां पे भी, अगर ये अंडर द सिस्टम वेरिएबल अगर ये पाथ सेट है और यहां पे भी जेडीके का पाथ दिया गया होगा तो भी ये काम करेगा, मतलब कि यहां पे डिलीट करने का कोई फायदा नहीं हुआ। करेक्ट, तो अभी हम यहां पे देखते हैं, इस चीज को नोटिस करते हैं और इसके साथ साथ हम लोग इसको भी ध्यान में रखते हैं। तो अभी हम लोगों ने क्या किया, इसको क्लिक ऑन ओके, क्लिक ऑन ओके, ओके, वी हैव सेटेड द एनवायरनमेंट पाथ। ओके, well, I have deleted it now.